Hello people, I have to show you because if you like using Blender, especially the newest version, and because I got some projects, definitely you will need to find free texture libraries and free shaders. And I wanted to show you some of my projects. But you will need texture maps if you want to create nice, beautiful projects. Some of the maps are connected to all together PBR shaders. But I will have to show you where to get those texture maps and PBR shaders. Okay. What else? Oh no, why this is not visible? Okay, what else? Also, this is nice, but now I will show you also another project. The best file which I can show to you. Also, I connected some maps and the displace map. This is why you can see displacement on the top of tiles. In a minute I show you where to get those maps, and because this is very important to consider this. You can see uh, levels of details. Dog created is not as good as it's supposed to be, but it's still okay. And also, this is perfect example of displacement map because I connected it to displacement map, and now I can show you. Maybe I will show you last project. This is this. I use the reflection map for this project. And okay, I can show you texture libraries now. Sorry, I was watching a Polish channel about Traveler. Uh, Blender Maga, one of them. This will include the PBR shaders, which are for free. All engines, cyclists. You have you can download for free. This is free of charge, so you can download it. But when you want to open up inside Blender, you have to use a Fang option to be able to import PBR Shader. Another web page is Ambient CG. But this includes separate texture files which you will have to connect all together inside Blender. They are huge. But one of them I have to show you because I published a video tutorial how to connect maps all together. Why this hard drive is slow? Western Digital Velociraptor was better than Western Digital Black because it seems to be slower than my Velociraptor. We have normal map, color map, displacement map, roughness map. All maps you have to connect uh, all together. But I published a video tutorial. This is a review of the material itself. This is open source material library. You can also change category to metal, so you can see all texture maps. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. When you connect all maps all together, they will look beautiful. Another texture libraries. This is the newest I have found out not long time ago. Uh, it is also open source and free of charge. What we got here. You can also see displacement map. I have to download this to check what maps are being included. Okay, 2K, because I got 2K monitor. I have to unpack texture because this web page is free and open source and it includes all textures. Okay, I have to delete this. I will have to check. This is ambient occlusion map, normal directs. Why do I get this all the time? Normal map, roughness. Where is displacement map? Height map. In this case, you have to connect height map to displacement output, and then displacement to displacement. I will have to publish video tutorial about it. This is color map. Okay, roughness is also important. Metallic map, metalness. Height map will give you this, as you can see, so you will have nice shape. What we got here. Oh, this is quite interesting, but I will scroll down my mouse button because there will be some other interesting texture maps which I didn't check. Wow, this is nice. Oh, I haven't used this map yet. Oh, I wonder what kind of textures they have to be used. Remember, you have separate files. Oh, I will definitely have to use it maybe today, but I will have to go to sleep in a minute because I wake up to work, to do cleaning work at college. Cleaning work. But I like my work. Okay. Metal 006. So we will have to check. We got height map. Normal. Oh, this is nice. I like very much. Roughness map. I have to check what color map. Oh, color map looks like that. I wonder where to connect ambient occlusion map. I will have to check. I will have to double check metallic map. This is how material looks. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Last web page is only if you want to download textures. But the issue is, I will show you now. You have download limit, so you cannot download everything at once. If you reach limit, you will have to wait a couple of days. We only have standard maps, but you can generate maps using the GIMP application, and maybe GIMP has that utility which will be able to convert that type of map to displacement and normal map. I wanted to show you, and I wanted to show you wood, plank new, plank old. Beautiful stuff. I already have those textures. Those textures. A very plywood is very nice texture. Let's check. Okay. I don't know if I have this texture. You can also edit that texture because don't use a texture inside Blender without modifying it because it will have seams visible. So you have to use GIMP to get rid of nasty seams. Okay, I think that would be everything. Yeah, there's another one that's not free. That one is not free of charge, unfortunately. I shouldn't really show to you this because this used to be free, but that one is commercial. Oh, okay, I will not show you because you have to pay. For those you can download a couple of them in high resolution free of charge. And that's it. I hope you liked the video tutorial, my last one today. See you guys, bye.